Now, what should be the accepted air velocity for human comfort? If we go through Asrhae 55, Asrhae clearly answers this question. Now, if you look at this particular flowchart, now let's start here. If the metabolic rate is above 1.3, if it is more than 1.3, no airspeed limitation. Again, remember there is a chart in Asrhae 55 where you can get a list of metabolic rate for different activities. Now let's say if the metabolic rate is below 1.3, then you come here. Occupant control of airspeed. For instance, if the occupants are in control of airspeed, then there are no limitation. Occupant can control the air velocity for their own comfort. So you can leave up to them. But let's say if occupants are not in control, in that case, you have to decide the air velocity. For instance, if the temperature is below 23 degrees centigrade or 73 degree Fahrenheit, the upper limit of air velocity is 40 feet per minute. For a temperature ranging 23 degrees Celsius to 25.5 degrees Celsius, you have to follow this particular formula. This one stands for ITP and this one for metric unit. And in case temperature is 25.5 degrees centigrade or above, the maximum air velocity, the upper limit is 160 feet per minute. So if it is in between 23 and 25.5, we just have to apply this particular formula. We need to know the temperature and just use this particular formula to find out the air velocity. The unit is feet per minute for this one. And if you want it in SI unit, you have to use this particular formula.